Indeed, this is how our knotless braids, our African knotless braids, this is how it was. I told you that when we are doing the African knotless threading, you just have to be very, very careful. One, when it comes to the spacing, and at times when it comes to the threading that you're using, in that you should not try to when you should not use a bigger volume. Let's say that the braids they are big, the one that you're trying to use, and then you try to pack them. That means it's going to be somehow heavy, and when it becomes heavy, I told you what happened when the braids are heavy. Someone will not try to be someone won't be comfortable, and then it may lead to the hair breakage. So you should always be careful on measuring the size that you're going to be using. Another thing with the African knotless threading, you just have to be as gentle as possible, or to be not make it very hard. As to those ones who had seen the first video, I tried to show you how it was and the way I was plaiting it, but mostly we have to first see how do we already start. So I want to welcome you once again. My name is Maurice, the Crochet Master, and thank you so much for the love and the support you're showing me. I really appreciate, and I would like to shout out to everyone who is watching me right now. Those ones in United States of America, those ones in United Kingdom, and shout out to those ones in United Emirates, those ones in Canada. Guys, thank you so much. And other countries like Saudi Arabia, those ones in Oman, United Emirates, Kenya, Nairobi, Uganda, the Pearl of Africa. Thank you so much for the love and support you're showing me. So we are doing the African knotless threading, but I'm just going to show you guys, those ones who didn't watch the first video, this is how we started from down, because this is the main important that we have to first see. Now you just have to first separate the hair into 3 portions, as you can see. And I told you last time that it is always good to listen than skipping maybe the other things that you won't understand. So you just have to first plait your own hair just like that. Remember, people say threads are painful, and they can be painful. Yes, they can be painful if you plait them unprofessional. So you just bring your threads like that, very slow, and you plait. So here you still use the same method of the knotless braid. And then you bring another one, you do the same. But you see my hands, the way they're moving, I try to show you that I'm very soft. Like, I'm gentle. I don't make it very hard. Yes, because we all know that threads, they're even more they can hold hair more than kinky. And remember, when we were learning on how to do the braids of kinky, we would also do it very soft, not to make it hard. So it's the same thing applies here, that you don't supposed to make it very hard, because when you make it very hard, still it might lead to your hair breaking, just because if it is very tight. So I try to be as gentle as possible. So this is the molding gel that we first apply, and then after you separate it into 3 portions. I would like you to see all these steps carefully, because the most thing is this starting. You understand the way we start? Because I've been hearing people saying that threads they're painful, but I wonder why sometimes I find them plaiting kids, like these kids, they plait them using threads. So if the kid for you an adult you say that it is painful, that means what about the kid? So that's why I had to bring it in a knotless format, so that you as a person, we all know that a knotless is very, very soft. It is very protective. So don't fear the African threading again. Just know it is safe now. The only thing you can do, just do it in a knotless format. Yes. So one, you should maintain the volume that you're using, so that it is not heavy. And another thing, when you're plaiting, try to be as gentle as possible. And even when it comes to finishing the braiding, like finishing, I'm going to be showing you. You don't have to make the braid very hard. You understand? You just have to you keep on plaiting like as soft as possible. So that you achieve the softness and that and the flexibility of the threading. You understand? So this is how we keep on doing it, and let me try to show you how we braid it. We just excuse me, like it is soft. You just have to keep on doing it this soft. I don't make it hard at all, because if you do that, it is going to maybe the thread can be small, and that will make you think that it is not packed. And then you keep on packing it. So when you pack a lot, it is not going to be very okay with someone. So you just have to be as soft as possible, so that your braid is flexible. You understand? When it is flexible, that means it's now protective. So you should not fear plaiting threads again, since it can be like this. And even you have seen the way flexible it was and light. So that is how you can also do it. And remember, by the way, my personal account is Maurice the Crochet Master on Instagram. You can still come and follow me, and then we chat more. Yes, I find that those slow learners who cannot catch up with us here, maybe we can still look further away somewhere, and you get to learn all these kinds of hairstyles, because I told you I can do everything. Like, it's a lot. So this channel is all about learning all types of hairstyle that you'll need to know. So I remain by the names of Maurice the Crochet Master, and trust me, I love you so much. And please keep loving Hair Zipper. If it's your first time to be on this channel, please don't forget to subscribe, and just know that you'll have to learn everything. So please click on that red button, ring the bell. You'll be the first person to watch all the videos that I'll be uploading. And I want to welcome even the return subscribers. Thank you so much, and please just stick on it so that we do it together. My name is Maurice again, the Crochet Master. I love you, and I sign out. Bye bye. See you in my next video.